Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Grainy Pixel. So, in today's video, I will show you how to create a fluffy effect in Illustrator by using some simple steps. Let's create one artboard with any size you want, and follow the other steps. Step 1. Create a small circle shape by using the ellipse tool. You can make any size circle. Select a circle, and make sure you remove the border from the circle. Let's put some color on it. Now go to gradient and give a linear color. You can use any gradient color here. Use some bright color palettes. The Alt button and duplicate the circle at some distance. Now, select both shapes and press Ctrl plus Alt plus B. Now double-click on the Blend tool. And select the specified steps, and enter 1000 steps. Step 2. Now click on the Pen tool and draw any shape you want. Now let's replace our first shape with this other new pen tool shape. For that, select both shapes and go to Object plus Blend plus Replace Spine. Step 3. Let's add some fluffy effects. Just click on the effect, go to Distort and Transform, and select Put Size to 65% and Detail to 45%. And select points as smooth. And here we go. Our fluffy effect is ready to use. Just go to the object and click on Expand, and you will now export in PNG, and you are ready to use for your next project. If you like our video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates about designing related videos. So bye bye and have a nice day.